as you can see, swivel at the end where you put the weight, stopper, swivel, stopper, and the same setup is for the second one. Hello and welcome! A few days back I received these moving swivels, and these work pretty well when you are float fishing or, for example, deep sea fishing and you need a couple of hooks on your main line. I've already prepared a few hooks because I want this video to be short. I want to save some time for you, and let's basically just show you a general setup and how you can easily and quickly put them on the main line and well, start fishing. Okay, so the first step, what we'll need to do, we will need to put the hook on to the line that you're gonna fit to this moving swivel. The knot that I'm using while attaching the hooks to the line is an improved clinch knot. In my opinion, that's a great knot, and well, it's very reliable and I use it all the time. Okay, so how to do it? So the first step is to put your line through the eye of a swivel, then basically just make 5, 6 or 7 rotations. Just wrap the line around itself. Okay, now the tag end goes through the eye, which is closer to the eye of a swivel, and through the loop that we have just done. Pretty easy and fast, and I assure you that the knot is very reliable. Okay, let's cut unnecessary line, and the first one is done. Let's do the same with the second one. You put your line through the eye of a swivel, make like 5 or 6 wraps. The tag end goes through the hole which is closer to the swivel's eye. And through the loop that we have just done. Okay, so the second one is done. And as you can see, we've got a swivel on one end and the hook on the other one, and we've done the same with the second one. The next step is to take your main line and put a stopper on it, like so. I hope that you can see it. Now we take the swivel and put the main line through the hole of a swivel, and we need to put another stopper like so. So as you can see, the stopper, the swivel, and another stopper. Now we need to do the same one with the second one, but for example, I'm just showing you with 2 swivels, but if you need more, like 3 or 4, that's the same process. You take a stopper, you put the first one, you take your main line, put it through the eye of a swivel, and put a stopper at the end. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 2 moving swivels. I've actually forgot to mention that these glow in the dark also, so these fit pretty well for night fishing. And the last step is to put another swivel at the end of your main line, because over here you will put the weight depending on the float that you use. So same process as with the other swivels. I'll use the improved clinch knot. Pretty easy, fast, and hopefully this setup will catch you a lot of fish. So as you can see, swivel at the end where you put the weight, stopper, swivel, stopper, and the same setup is for the second one. And basically you can move them on your main line so that these would not interact with each other. I really hope that you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel as it is pretty new. And you can also visit my website, which is fishmatpro.com, where I share information on different fish species, lines, reels, rods, and a lot of other stuff. I'll put the links in the description if you would like to purchase some of these. This doesn't cost a lot, like just a few dollars. And well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.